Welcome back, guys, and get ready for some mom hacks in this day in the life video. My first mom hack is a simple one, and it is making meals in advance. My fiance has to work early in the morning, so I am making his sandwich the night before, and I am pairing it with some chips so he can grab it and go early in the morning. Also, my daughter is a cheerleader and she has a game that's over an hour away, so I will also be pre-making the breakfast for my kids in the morning. It's just some dry cereal and some grapes. My next mom hack is packing snacks. Now, I will make sure to pack a good variety of snacks in my son's backpack that is small enough for him to carry himself, and a lot of these are very filling. And these Paw Patrol cookies, even though my daughter can't have them, I will bring extras just in case somebody else's children would also like a snack. Because I'll be having the kids alone today, I go ahead and pack some bribes for when they will eventually melt down, because we had to get up early to be able to make it where we need to go on time. After my daughter's game, we hit up a drive-thru and then we eat in the car, and then afterwards we go ahead and we go to Walmart where we pick up some groceries and a few other things that we need. I absolutely love Halloween and I can't wait to decorate. Also, I'm going to be making the kids costumes like I do most years. My daughter is going to be a rainbow unicorn and my son is going to be Super Mario. Do you like dressing up for Halloween? What kind of costumes are you gonna wear? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a couple of these hand towels. I'm gonna put them behind the seat underneath the kids' feet so that when they drop their food or spill things, the towels can catch it. I'm also gonna pick up some of my favorite fall wax scents, and these are a few of my favorites right now. Fall Leaves is one of my favorites from last year. It's not really a fall-y scent, it's just kind of crisp and clean. Country Home, Fall into Autumn, A Thankful Harvest, and Camping Trip are all new. Out of those, one of my favorites is Camping Trip. It's piney and earthy. But I'd have to say my overall favorite scent of this season is Apples and Oak, and it has been out of stock the last couple of times that I have went. So a mom hack for me is I like to keep certain toys in the car, and this is one of them. It was under $10 at Walmart and it came with one of these cars. It holds 6 cars and it has a launcher for the cars to launch out of, and the orange flat part where the cars launch from also attaches to the regular Hot Wheel tracks. So I like to take this to the dentist office or the doctor's office because it keeps him busy, and it's also nice storage to keep all of his little travel cars organized in the car. And if your kids are anything like my kids, they are completely obsessed with the LOL dolls. I can usually never get out of the store without buying them one, especially the little brothers. They love those. I think these little glitter unicorns are just so cute, and I think I'm gonna come back and pick some up when Christmas gets closer and I'm a little more sure about what kind of colors that we're gonna be decorating in. Walmart carries these trial samples of the Freeman masks, so I thought it would be perfect and picked up one of the stress ones for my giveaway. so make sure you watch till the end of the video to get a sneak peek. Another one of my mom hacks is having this travel coloring board that is mess-free because it is capable of all kinds of activities without any mess. Also, here you can see the towels that I bought already catching some of the mess that my kids throw onto the floor. The kids are going to keep themselves busy with these Lego sets here while I make them some dinner. Another great mom hack I like to use is I like to use the style hash browns, the little square potatoes, because they crisp up really quickly in the air fryer. Also, for toddlers, they are technically already cut up into bite-sized pieces as well. It also doubles as another meal because they are technically breakfast hash browns. Another mom hack is having a few meals that you can throw together in 30 minutes or less. This makes days when you have to go out of town for things or have activities that you can still come home and make a meal in 30 minutes. 30-minute meals are especially important on days like today, where we already had lunch in a drive-thru. So I didn't want to also have dinner in a drive-thru, and having a 30-minute meal made that possible. Tonight I'm making chicken fajitas. It's a really easy throw together 30-minute meal because it's basically just cutting up some chicken and then I add some frozen peppers and some onions to it. Then I just salt my chicken, pepper if you prefer pepper, and for my fajita seasoning it's just some cayenne pepper, some paprika. I prefer smoked paprika, you can use regular paprika, and then it's just some garlic. I prefer granulated garlic, use as much garlic as you'd like. Oregano adds a little bit of depth to the flavor. This is some granulated onion, a little bit of cumin, and some red chili powder. Tonight my fiance handled the dinner with the kids, their bath time and bedtime routine, and by the time dinner was finished, they were ready for bed. I add in some onions, and then these are my favorite peppers. They are frozen red, yellow, and green peppers, and they are perfect because there is no onion, which allows it to be more versatile for other recipes. After I finish cooking dinner, I'll go ahead and go in and give the kids a kiss goodnight and tuck them in bed, and then me and my fiance will sit on the couch and we'll eat tacos and watch Netflix. After we're finished eating and watching TV, I'll go ahead and start my nighttime cleaning routine, which is basically where I clean up in the bathroom after the kids' bath, and then I clean up the living room and the dining room and wash the dishes and leave mostly everything clean for the morning. If you'd like to see my nightly cleaning routine, I'll go ahead and link it in the description box below. And now for those of you that have watched all the way to the end, you finally get to see a sneak peek of my 8,000 subscriber giveaway.